Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, you are welcome. If it's your very first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Yes, in this channel I do most about cooking. So if you're interested to know very simply recipes, please just stay tuned. If you are watching this and if you're very first time, please do subscribe. Press the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first one to watch. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fries, like egg fries. It's so delicious and yummy. So follow me step by step. Don't miss any part of this video so that you can get the perfect fries like what you have just seen. Okay, so stay tuned. at them. They look nice, delicious, and so tasty, guys. If you will follow my recipe, then you will find something like this. Very nice, sweet, and yeah, delicious. So if you are watching this video, it's your very first time, please do subscribe. If you find this video interesting, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you will be the first one to watch. Thank you again, and see you in my next video. Shalom.